The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by green hills, there was a young boy who worked as a shepherd. His job was simple. Take the sheep to the meadow, watch over them during the day, and bring them back to the pen at night. Though the work wasn't hard, it was the same every day, and the boy often felt bored. He had no one to talk to, and nothing exciting ever happened. Just the sheep quietly eating grass. One day, he came up with the mischievous idea to make things more interesting. The boy climbed onto a big rock near the field and shouted as loudly as he could, "Wolf! A wolf is attacking the sheep!" Hearing the cry, the villagers quickly grabbed sticks and ran up the hill to help. But when they got there, they found the sheep grazing peacefully, with no wolf in sight. The boy burst out laughing. "Ha ha ha! You all fell for it." The villagers sighed and shook their heads. "Don't cry wolf when there isn't one. If a real wolf comes, no one will believe you," they warned. But the boy just shrugged, thinking, "They're so easy to fool. This is too funny." A few days later, the boy felt bored again. Remembering how funny his trick had been, he shouted once more, "Wolf! A wolf is attacking the sheep!" Once again, the villagers dropped what they were doing and rushed up the hill. And once again, they found no wolf. Just the boy laughing even harder. "Ha ha! Fooled you again," the boy said, holding his stomach from laughing so much. This time the villagers were angry. "We won't come next time, no matter how loudly you shout," they said before leaving. But the boy didn't care. He thought his joke was too funny to stop. One afternoon, as the boy sat under a tree watching the sheep, he suddenly heard a strange sound. He looked around and froze in fear. A large wolf, with sharp teeth and glowing eyes, was creeping toward the sheep. Terrified, the boy climbed onto the rock and screamed, "Wolf! Wolf! A real wolf! Please help me!" But no one came. The villagers thought he was playing another trick. The boy shouted again and again, but still, no one came. The wolf attacked the sheep, grabbed one, and ran off into the forest. When evening came, the boy walked back to the village with the remaining sheep. His head hung low. He told the villagers about the wolf, but they only said, "We warned you. If you keep lying, no one will believe you, even when you're telling the truth." The boy nodded sadly, feeling ashamed and realizing how his lies had caused so much trouble. From that day on, he learned the importance of honesty and never cried wolf again, unless there really was one.
And that's all for this story. Thanks for your listening. Have a nice day.